just under 600 bucks in today's live trading session. Stay until the end because I reveal the exact strategy, what to look for, all the little tips and tricks. Let's get into it. Ideally, I'd like to see a push up into this upper band with a rejection. That's right. I'd prefer to get in short there. Looks like we might get that pump up. Yes, yeah, I wouldn't have wanted to just hop in there and then get stopped out right away. Yeah, there's that push up into the upper band. If I do go short, this is where I'd like to do it. I'll continue to play this downside. I'll go ahead and I'll get short here.
Order filled.
When did we get in there? 92.78. Stops up here at 93.04. See if we can't push down back towards these lows here. At least shave off one. See if we can't push down towards a 2-to-1. We shall see. Nothing really showing bullishness here. I mean, we were basically surpassed yearly highs. Got this bearish change of character. Took a nice short here, so already in the green on crude. Basically just playing the bands here and the Qwave. See if we can't pick up a 2-to-1. Would have had two nice crude trades. Got originally short here, got barely stopped out, but that move ended up playing out. Got back in here for a nice little pickup. See if we can't push back down, at least get to a 1-to-1 here. Move those stops to break even, pick up some profit.
Order filled.
Nice. Take profit one hit. We'll go ahead and move stops to break even. See if we can't pick up a little 2-to-1 here on crude. Wants to. There we go. Dancing on me there. Wow, I mean, we barely missed there on that 2-to-1. In a break even, already shaved some profit off at 1-to-1, so we end up getting stopped out here. Not the end of the world. It's the beauty of taking profits. Barely missing your take profit. Oh my goodness. Will we get stopped out? Is it going to dance on me up here too? That would be incredible. A lot of buyers stepped in there. Barely missed our take profit. Once again, just playing the bands. I mean, we've just gotten rejected here, here, here. Just can't seem to break through. You know, I might move my stop a little higher just in case we get wicked out. That way it's just at the upper part of the band there. But I mean, wouldn't be shocked. Already took some profit, so really not a big deal. Would have made for a very clean trade there. Already cashed about 250 on that first take profit. Trying to get down to the second one, or take profit. See if we can't get that roll over here. Push back down. Stop. Moved it just above break even. Just that way we are in line with the bands here on Qwave. As you can see, I mean, I think we've only wicked above once here, twice, 3 times. We just haven't been able to break through. Still favoring a move to the downside. The original alert, I mean, I know it was early this morning, but any of these ads would have been great just because you're playing this midline off of the Qwave. So we'll see. A little under 300 bucks. What is that? 330. So 260, sorry. See if we can't make that double here. Get another rollover. I wasn't in on this ad alert. I didn't like where it had come in. I figured we'd push back up into the bands a little bit, which is exactly what we did. And then I ended up getting short back up here. So starting to get some bullishness here though. I believe this is the yearly high here at 93.16. Yeah, here on the SMC indicator. So that's really why I was favoring the downside, just because we were pushing. Once again, just fighting the upper part of that band. Do I pick up another one here? Wouldn't be shocked to see a whip above and then right back down.
Stop filled.
Okay, so got stopped out there. I mean, I don't really mind taking adding to this, especially if we get another push below. We change these up and down bars so you can see them a little better. If we get another rejection back down on this band, I'm getting this bull here. Don't know how I feel about it. We'll see though. If the bulls want to make a push back up to this high here from Wednesday. If we push below this midline, might look to go short again. Just a little fake out there. I still like this move to the downside. I don't see really any reason to get bullish here. Really just playing this midline here on the Qwave. If we break below this midline, and the only way I'd hop in this is if we bust back above this Qwave ribbon here. But if we continue to get rejected, then I'd be looking to hop in a short here. Gonna hop in here soon. to the downside if we get a print. Or I'll just hop in now.
Order filled.
Okay, we are short 3 contracts. Let's see. 2. See if we can't get to a 1-to-1. Okay, we are shooting for a 1-to-1. Bring those stops to break even. And then get that 2-to-1 down here. See if we can't get a push down here. Starting to hit the other side of this band.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see if we can't hit take profit 2 here for a 2-to-1. Last time we got danced on. Go ahead and move stops to break even. A little bit above because I like this move coming back down here outside of the bands. Didn't really consider this bull alert just because we've obviously been really in this downtrend all day, all morning. And then we got this immediate rejection here on the Qwave. So we'll see if we can't pick up take profit 2 here. But I already shaved some profits off in a free trade. Just playing the bands this morning here on crude. Might get ticked out here.
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, we will take it. Almost 600 bucks there trading crude. I will be calling it for the day. Pretty much little trade recap. Got into a few positions here. First position didn't go my way. It was the right move, just got stopped out for a small loss and then ended up getting right back in because when was that? That would have been 9:05 just before market open. Where was that? I believe it was this ad alert here. I had gotten in once again right here, playing the bounce off of this upper band and then this ribbon. Got in here, picked up a nice little 1-to-1. Ended up getting another opportunity to go short here at, where was it? This move right here. Once again, played the upper part of this band. You don't necessarily have to play these labels. I mean, you could have turned off, I wasn't even really trading the labels. You could have turned this off and really just played the bands. Right here was my first short, playing this bounce off the upper band and then a rejection here at the ribbon. And then once again, played this move right here, rejection of the upper band, caught this little move down. And then the last and final 2 trades, where was it? Both of these were 1-to-1. Barely, I mean, we barely missed our take profit 2. You'll see on the recording for the second trade. And then the, what was it? The third trade would have been this short here. Once again, playing the bounce. Didn't take this bull alert. Wasn't really convinced of the price action yet. In right, I believe, around here, and then hit that 1-to-1, and then once again just got stopped out at break even. But it brings us to just under 600 bucks on the day. If you want access to this exact same indicator, I'm using the Qwave toolkit in this video. In the previous live trading videos, I was using our Q line. Very similar indicators. The only difference is Qwave has an improved ribbon as well as improved bands. And then it also has these ad alerts that were on the chart. This is really what we consider our position adding indicator. For example, I mean, as you can see, this is running right now. If you would have taken maybe not this bull alert, but if you were bullish, you could have waited to play a bounce off this bottom band. And then this ad alert would have been some added confirmation. Wouldn't be surprised if this hits a nice, I mean, let's say you had gotten in here and you're playing that band strategy. That's already at, I mean, nice little gain there. So Qwave, very, very cool for scalping. In this video, I'm trading crude. In the previous videos, I was trading NQ. If you want access to this exact same indicator, click the link in the description. You can try the entire toolkit. You can get our community. You can see we've got members in here every single day, crushing it on a daily basis. This is my favorite, absolute favorite part of the community and QuantVue system, is seeing our members crush it on a daily basis. That's all I got for you in today's session. See you tomorrow.